This video I will explain the difference between Google Cloud and traditional servers. First we will see what is a traditional server. A traditional server is a physical computer that you buy, you keep in your office or data center, you maintain yourself. It is used to run websites, store data, and run business applications. For example, a company buys a big powerful computer and keeps it in a special room to run its software. Now we will see what is Google Cloud. Google Cloud gives you servers, storage, and databases through the internet without buying any physical machine. You just open the browser, create a server, and start using it. In case of traditional server, you own and you manage the machine. In case of Google Cloud, you rent and use it online. Now we will compare step by step. First one, hardware or physical computer. In case of traditional server, you must buy the machine, set it up and maintain it. And in case of Google Cloud, no hardware is needed. Everything is online. Second one, cost. In case of traditional server, you pay huge amount at the beginning. Even if you don't use it fully, the money is already spent. In case of Google Cloud, the important concept is pay as you go. You pay only for what you use, like an electricity bill. Third one, scalability. Scalability means handling more users without slowing down. In case of traditional server, if users increase, you must buy a new server. This takes time and money. In case of Google Cloud, you can increase the power in minutes and reduce it anytime. Fourth one, maintenance. In case of traditional server, you are responsible for updates, security, repairs, power backup, and cooling. In case of Google Cloud, Google handles hardware, security, updates, and availability. You just use the service. Fifth one, setup time. In case of traditional server, setup time is days or weeks. In case of Google Cloud, setup time is minutes. Sixth one, access. In case of traditional server, usually accessed from office network. In case of Google Cloud, access from anywhere, anytime. Seventh one, backup and safety. In case of traditional server, you must arrange a backup system and disaster recovery. In case of Google Cloud, backup and safety features are built in, easy to configure. Now we will see the real life analogy. Traditional server is like buying your own car. You handle fuel, service, repairs, and parking. Google Cloud is like booking a cab. You use it when needed, pay only for the ride, no maintenance. Who should use traditional servers? Traditional servers are useful when very strict data control is required. No internet dependency is allowed. Old systems are used. Who should use Google Cloud? Google Cloud is best for startups, modern applications, websites and mobile apps, companies that want to scale fast. Here I have put together quick comparison table of whatever we have discussed. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.